Xbox.
Hey guys, it's Roscoe with Parts People. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the LCD display assembly on an AlienWare M17xR4. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this 5% discount coupon. Slide the latch over to unlock the battery. Lift the battery out of the laptop. Remove the screws. Remove the access door. Remove the screws. Turn the laptop over and open it up. Carefully unsnap the center control power button cover. Unplug the media board cable. Remove the center control power button cover. Remove the screws. Carefully turn the keyboard over and unplug the keyboard cable. Remove the keyboard. Unplug and loosen the cable. Unplug the camera cable. Unplug the LCD cable. Loosen the cables. Remove the hinge screws. Remove the display assembly. Are you looking for some more tutorials? Check out these other videos. If you enjoyed this tutorial, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out PartsPeople.com where we have hundreds of tutorials and hundreds of thousands of parts. Thank you for using Parts People for your video tutorials.